Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Marchewangun chicken korma or Mirchi Korma. Usually in Wazwan, Mirchi Korma or Marchewangun Korma is made with meat, but today I'm going to show you how we can make it with chicken. This very hot Mirchi Korma is different from other kormas. The base of this korma is red chili, making it extremely hot curry. It's a must-try korma and a treat to taste buds. So let's get started. For making this korma, I have taken around 750 grams of chicken. I have taken chicken legs. You can take any cut of your choice. Here you can see. Then I have taken fennel seed powder around 1.5 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon. Salt I am taking 2 teaspoons. We can adjust according to your taste. And then I have taken whole spices that include black cardamom, cumin seeds, cloves, green cardamom and cinnamon stick. That's for the chicken for now. I start with boiling chicken. For that I have taken water in a pot and I have added all the ingredients that I showed you. Salt, all the whole spices and fennel seed powder, ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds, black cardamom, green cardamom and cloves. Once it starts to boil, I'll add chicken to this. After adding chicken, I'll let it boil for around 5 minutes on high flame. Once it starts to boil, I'll keep it on high flame for around 5 minutes and then turn off the flame. And then we will fry it, and we don't have to discard this chicken stock. We'll be using it for cooking it later. Then moving to other ingredients. The other ingredients include Kashmiri red chili powder. I have taken around half a cup. Then I have taken 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt according to your taste. We have to be careful because we have already added salt to chicken. And then whole spices include black cardamom, cumin seeds, cinnamon, green cardamom and cloves. Then I have taken half a teaspoon of garam masala. It's optional, you can skip it. Then 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. And then I have taken saffron soaked in water. This is an optional step, you can skip it if you don't have. I'm not adding turmeric to this curry, so I have added saffron for slight color and flavor. And then I have taken oil. I have taken around 1 cup because we need oil for frying chicken. I have heated up the oil and then I'm adding boiled chicken pieces to it. Here you can see we'll add 3 or 4 pieces at one time. We don't have to overcrowd the pan, and we will deep fry it on both the sides the way we do for Kashmiri curries. As you can see, chicken is fried on one side, so I'll turn it to other side. We'll deep fry it on both the sides. Now here, as you can see, chicken is fried properly, so at this stage I'll take it out from oil and I will add another batch of chicken to this. Meanwhile, I'll keep the gravy ready for this chicken. Now I have taken around 2 tablespoons of oil. I have heated it up. Then I'll be adding ginger garlic paste to it. Saute it. Then I'll be adding chili powder to it, but here we have to keep water or chicken stock handy. I'm keeping chicken stock handy so that these chilies won't burn. After adding chili powder, I'm going to add half a cup of chicken stock in which I had boiled the chicken. I had not discarded that. We'll be using that. And then I'll be using other spices, all the spices that I have shown you, all the whole spices, cumin seed, green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves, fennel seed powder, dry ginger powder, salt, garam masala. Salt I'm using less because chicken is already salty. I had added salt in chicken stock also, and I'm adding more 2 cups of chicken stock, and I will let it boil for some time, and then I'll be adding chicken to it, fried chicken. And here you can see once it starts to boil, I'll be adding saffron water to it. As I already mentioned, this is optional, but if you have, it gives a good flavor. Then I'll be adding chicken to it. Chilies you can adjust more also. The hotter the gravy, the tastier it turns. Now here I'll be adding chicken. This is a fried chicken. I will mix it, cover it, and keep it on low flame for around 15 minutes, low to medium flame. At this stage you can check salt also and adjust according to your taste. After 15 minutes on low flame, here you can see, you can adjust the gravy also according to your taste. You can add more stock to keep more gravy. Here you can see the very hot chicken korma is ready. Now I'll dish it out and serve it with rice. Here the appetizing and scrumptious Marchewangun korma is ready. Give this recipe a try. Let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.